In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows. The on-screen keyboard is a really helpful tool if your physical keyboard isn't working properly, if you're using a touchscreen device, or if you just prefer clicking keys with your mouse. Let's walk through exactly how to turn it on and how to get to it quickly whenever you need it. First, go to your Windows desktop and look at the bottom of your screen for the taskbar. Find the Start button, which is usually in the bottom left corner. Click on the Start button and then select Settings. If you don't see Settings right away, you can simply start typing Settings after you open Start, and it should appear in the search results. Click to open it. Inside the Settings window, look for the section called Ease of Access, or in some newer versions of Windows, it might be labeled Accessibility. This section is designed to make your computer easier to use, especially if you have any kind of accessibility needs. Click on Ease of Access or Accessibility to open those options. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Look for the one that says Keyboard. Go ahead and click on Keyboard. This is where Windows keeps all of your keyboard-related settings, including the on-screen keyboard. Now, in the keyboard settings, find the option labeled On-Screen Keyboard. There should be a switch or a toggle next to it. Click that switch to turn it on. As soon as you do, a keyboard will appear on your screen. You can move it around by clicking and dragging the top of the keyboard window, and you can resize it if needed, just like any other window. From here, you can type by clicking the keys with your mouse, or by tapping them on a touchscreen. This keyboard works in almost any place you'd type normally: web browsers, documents, search bars, and so on. If you want quick access later, you can also search for on-screen keyboard directly from the Start menu and pin it to your taskbar, or Start for faster access. That way, you're never stuck if your physical keyboard stops responding. And that's all you need to do to enable and use the on-screen keyboard in Windows.